Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm here to talk to you about and do an unboxing for you of our new Shoebox line. It's our LED Lighting Supply SB4 Shoebox line. There's actually four versions, but the two I'm showing you today are both 100 277. They both also come in 40 volt support. So this is our all-around general parking lot fixture. Again, it comes in two versions. Comes in a 150, 120, 100 wattage changing version. It comes with the NEMA socket on it, and we also include a shorting cap. If you need the photo cell, our salesman will quote that to you, and it'll come with the fixture. It comes with an adjustable arm bracket, a slip fitter, or a trunnion bracket. It also supports 3K, 4K, and 5K, but just a great all-around fixture. We also have it, as I mentioned, the 1000 watt replacement. It has the same shorting cap that it comes with, has the same NEMA socket, but it does 310 watt. It can also be set to 280, 260, or 240 watt, depending on your application and how much light you want or you don't want. It also comes in high voltage, but again, a great all-around fixture. It comes again with the same bracket options, adjustable arm, slip fitter, or trunnion bracket. We also can run the lighting plan for you, so if you have a parking lot, you want to know how much light you're going to get, you want to make sure you have great coverage, contact one of our lighting specialists and they'll work you through that, understand where the location is, get the Google address, and again, run the lighting plan for you and supply that to you with your quote. So again, a great all-around product. We stock a lot of these. They also come in high voltage again. So give us a call today and we'll help you pick the right solution. Have a great day.